Next, we're going to talk about government, and we've got this thing deployed in a bunch of government agencies, military, courts, all kinds of stuff like that. And one of the examples you want to give is how Carmel by the Sea, which I think is Clint Eastwood's old hunting ground, is using the Matrox Monarch HDX to webcast their council meetings.
You know, this is a perfect story because I just love the fact that, you know, it points to accessibility and affordability. You know, this is a very, very small town. There's about 4,500 people. It covers 1 square mile. There's a lot of celebrities who live there. And Clint Eastwood, like you said, was a mayor. They're a very artistic community. They really want to be in touch with their community. They want to make sure that the town stays charming. So they had like new rules, like no heels on the beach, no street signs, no ice cream cones. So how do you inform your citizens about all these new laws? You make your town hall meetings transparent. In this case, most cities, unlike most cities, this city, Carmel by the Sea, had 1 person in their IT department. And this same person was the guy that took care of the 911 calls. So you just have to understand how easy and automatic the technology had to be. You know, they needed also to hook into an agenda, a management system that had the documents that were going to be reviewed. In fact, in this case, they used 4 PTZ cameras, okay, and there were a switcher, a mixer that they had the ability to flip through. I mean, that one guy was quite busy with, you know, just producing. He didn't have to worry about the streaming because the Novus Agenda and our API, we have an API that goes out for free with the Monarchs if you need them. So what they saw was when you start the Novus Agenda, all you have to do is press a button to say start, and your meeting is streaming to your citizens.
This integration with these other apps, like the Novus, like the Panopto, this really is a Crestron, is one of the things that really sets the Monarch family of products apart. And if you're trying to do this in a government agency, a school, house of worship, and you have one of these VMSs or control systems, give us a call and we will find out from Matrox if it's supported or not. It probably is, and if it isn't and the opportunity is big enough, I know for a fact you guys have put on other people based on opportunities, not the other way around. So I'm trying to explain that you're listening to your customers and providing them what they want when they need it.
Yeah, good point. And the last point about Carmel was the fact that they actually not only streamed to their citizens live, but they made sure that they recorded the material at a higher quality. That's something that we're able to do with the Monarch HDX. Why? Because now they can actually post a VOD version of the meetings with a lot higher quality.
And Frank, I want to harp on that a little bit because what a lot of people don't realize is there's a lot of other encoders out there, but they record the video in the compressed encoded version. Whereas what the Monarchs do is they let you record the full highest resolution for when you want to make your own videos, edit them, use them, because the whole world isn't always watching on their mobile phone. Sometimes the video's still got to be good old-fashioned HD quality, full screen. So let's review the family of devices. We have the Monarch at $995, which is HDMI in and out. We have the Monarch HDX, which is a dual device. It's HDMI or SDI in or out, as well as dual encoding and dual streaming. And then we have the LCS, which is dual input, but you can mix between the two. And they've got some really clever presets that let you put the picture-in-picture, not just a side-by-side, but actually lets you scale the picture. So like I'm here, and then the rest of it could be you. You know, we have this elaborate set. But next, I want to talk about a product that's about to start shipping, the Monarch Edge. This is a brand new product that actually Matrox has been shipping for over a year to OEM customers to design into systems that they've now turned it into a product that can be done to be sold to end users. Now, really, it's intended for integrators to integrate into bigger solutions. So talk about a little bit about where you see that product going and how it's going to evolve.
So we're really excited about the Monarch Edge. It's actually a product that encompasses and it houses Matrox's own ASIC. This is our own technology. The other workflow that this unit is geared for is remote production. And this is going to revolutionize how content is going to be created. And so we have two products, two SKUs. 10-bit, 422 10-bit is at $10,000 US, and the 420 8-bit version is at $7,500 US.
Like this video? Watch the entire webinar here and learn more about the Matrox family of encoders.